I am pleased to introduce our work analysis work improvement software, TimePrism. TimePrism is developed to support the personnel in the place of work, and it is a powerful tool in support of Kaizen that uses video footage. Our company name is Nihon Seiko Gikenko Limited in Tokyo. We have been selling TimePrism since year 2008 as our single merchandise. The sales result for the past 11 years is as follows. Number one, for the automobile-related makers, all Japanese car manufacturers are using TimePrism. Number two, for electric-related makers, and number three, for machinery manufacturers. Recent trend is we have been selling to cosmetic, food, pharmaceutical, hotels, logistic companies. Not only manufacturer, but service type industry people are using TimePrism. How we use TimePrism? First, visualize. To watch video and analyze and check current situation. Second, find problems. To see the video and the graphs to find problems. Third, improvement. To use video and data to do simulation to improve. Plus, one more important functions of TimePrism is we can use for internal skill transfer and education. I will show you its detail later. Improvement process. First, take video of operation. Second, upload video to TimePrism. Third, analyze work element. This is very important. Fourth, classify. Once these steps have been accurately done, you have only to use the function of TimePrism. And its functions are, number one, comparative verification, to compare two personnels or compare two operations by side-by-side screen. Number two, work organization, to simulate and analyze for operation leveling. Number three, man-machine chart, to produce standard work combination table easily. Number four, output files. Over 30 kinds of files are available to output in Excel and PowerPoint format. Advantage for TimePrism. Number one, effective analysis. The time for analysis becomes almost 1/3, and analysis is very accurate. Number two, easy creation of files. User can create various files easily. Number three, this is most important advantage, the reduction of losses. Depend on industry, losses have to reduce or buried. Users should find a fatal loss to reduce and decide the target for Kaizen. Thank you for listening about introduction of TimePrism. I will explain the function of work analysis. Starting up TimePrism, a very simple screen with 3 buttons appears. Red button is for analysis and normal output. Green button is for a new function and then simulation. And the right button is for initial setting. Click on red button to start. I prepared a video of PC assembling. 3 ladies, Miss A, B, C, are working together, and I use Miss B for today's demo. The video is now uploaded to TimePrism. Click on Start button, then clock starts. This is a playtime. And to start time measurement, place the cursor on the image and click. Then another clock starts. This is a measurement time, and analyzing sign is on. And to stop the measurement, place cursor again on the image and click. Measured time is shifted here, 15.8 seconds. I'll do again. Click, measurement starts and click. Measured time is displayed here, 4.9 seconds. This way, measurement times by click operations are accumulated. Slow motion replay is available up to 0.1 times. Fast forwarding replay up to 8 times speed. Touching a mouse wheel here, you can stop video during measurement and adjust to scroll back and forth to pick the right position to click. Click on delete if you made a mistake, and you can undo the deleted element. This way, anyone can do same time measurement very quickly and accurately by mouse click instead of a stopwatch. I will carefully measure this video image again from the beginning using these functions. The video is in the middle of operation. Install third parts. Cork, level, and remove the board. Operation start here. Click. Set the board. Install first parts. Second parts. Third parts. Cork, level, and remove the board. The video was split into 7 work elements with a simple click operation. Frame by frame playback and then rewinding are controlled with a mouse wheel. So the measurements are very accurate. What you should do next is to input name of work. You can input directly or copy and paste from your Excel file. Clicking here, Analysis Journal on the first element, a box with 9 analysis journal appears. User can put in their own sorting names in advance. Clicking on Work class, a box with 200 work classes appears. User also can input own name of works up to 200. Click on Next Group in case user make a man-machine chart. You can pick up 1 from 3 items: normal work, wait, and then walk. This way you can sort out This way you can sort out all work elements and can separate by color in a short time. This is almost all which you should do. Once this job is properly done, we have only to utilize function of TimePrism. At this stage, click on Item Aggregate. Then, pie chart of this analysis appears. Let's output this table and chart in Excel format. Table, pie chart, and Pareto chart are output. Users sometimes can visualize the current problem in operation. Pareto chart is very useful. For the repeated operation, change cycle to number 2, and we measure repeatedly. As you see, same sorting and color separations are reflected to next cycle up to 10 cycles. Actually, this lady, Miss B, did the same operation 7 times. This chart shows time over each element of 7 cycles. These figures in green are average, in blue are minimum time, and in red are maximum time. Let's again output file in Excel format. This is also another useful file to visualize. Look at the lower part of the window. These charts are created the same time as work analysis. These charts can be changed vertically and horizontally. Each element, showing time of each element. Gantt chart, it's very useful for process control. Cycle, this person did the same work, but each cycle time is varied. User can check chart and look back a video of each element of each cycle. And the memo, you put an important point to make note on each element. And this is important for making operation manual later. Okay, let's output the file again in Excel format. Where is it? Okay, now first element, set circuit board, is in green. You can select the position of a still image from video where you want to output. And do the same for all elements. The image of output we can see. You can see easily like this output. One more new function recently we added. This is the same Excel file, but clicking the element, you can see the video of the element. Click Install Part 3. You can see the video of install part 3. And this is the PowerPoint file. Video and still picture. One more thing, which text can be seen. What I explained was written in page 4 and 5 of the brochure. You can do work analysis smoothly and accurately, and you can visualize current situation for Kaizen. With accurate analysis and sorting, you can use functions of TimePrism. Thank you. I will explain the function of comparative verification using the video of plate cutting to compare experienced worker and new worker by side-by-side screen playback. Left side is 10-year experienced worker, and right side is a new staff. And the operation is to cut 4 edges of iron plate by corner share machine using on-foot switch. This analysis is done in work analysis window. With accurate analysis, you can use function of comparative verification. First, let's see both together by normal speed. Total time difference is 9.3 seconds. See again at lower speed, the element where time difference are big. As you see, left person moved on to next cut soon after machine moved up. To the contrary, new staff did not move until machine has completely gone up. Left person smoothly moved the plate, but right person had difficulty due to a burr formed on surface. Like this, you can compare by two screens. And also you can input memo here, and which is displayed in screen. Output is available from this comparative verification window. This is the other video, but you can see the image of a PowerPoint file. Left side is a very experienced worker. Right side is new staff. This is the function of comparative verification. I will explain the function of work organization using video PC assembling. And these operations are done by 3 workers, Miss A, B, and C. I have just analyzed Miss B in work analysis window and also previously analyzed Miss A and C. At first, I will list organization chart. This is the workload analysis sheet for assembly line of Miss A, Miss B, Miss C. As you see, this chart is uneven. Miss B's job is heavier than others. The function of work organization is to carefully watch video of the elements where you want to see and to do operation leveling. For example, you remember first motion of Miss B? Yes, it is a set PC board. The second from the last motion? Yes, it is a labeling. You can see video on each element. When I analyzed the operation of Miss B, I categorized these 2 motions as a need kaizen. You can remove elements by dragging and dropping. Now I remove this element. Then the number of the elements become 6. And remove one more, labeling. And the total elements become 5. And then check this new operation of 5 motions are result of labeling. Set board, install parts number 2, parts number 3, cork, remove without labeling. It can be workable. Like this. This is an image of a labeling. Like this, we can do a operation labeling. Please see the bottom half of the window. This is a time and production. And the line type is automatically calculated and displayed by red line. If we change the production number to 230 pieces, the line tag goes down. It means it's difficult to produce by 4 persons unless you increase time or reduce production or add to the new staff. Various simulation can be done by user on work organization window. Thank you very much. I will explain the function of the standardized work organization table called man-machine chart using the video of lumber factory producing housing panels. This is a result of analysis. With accurate analysis, the function of a man-machine chart is available. Now man-machine chart is displayed. Okay, the blue line is a manual work. Orange line is waiting. Red dotted line is walking. And black dotted line is send, which is a machine time set for 8 seconds. The production is set for 60 minutes to produce 36 sets. And its line tag is here by red line. Let's play back a video. The video and chart is synchronized. Probably you can see many points for Kaizen on this video. You can easily see the worker's motion with chart, and you can check the losses and problems of operations. So many points for Kaizen, isn't it? On this machine chart window, you can display two analyses together to show two data and a video in chart, or one analysis and then one imported data from Excel file. Man-machine chat is worth using a function while Kaizen activity goes on. It is easy to create man-machine chat in Excel file. We can show you now. By this operation, you can easily create an Excel file of man-machine chart. Thank you very much. Now I explain the basic functions of the TimePrism. We are more than happy to cooperate on Kaizen activity of your company. As for details, please contact our sales staff. Thank you very much.